Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Agricos World. In this video, we are going to discuss some of the important questions related to economics which are asked in most of the competitive exams. As ours is a new channel, please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Now let's get into the video. Here we are with our first question. Innovation theory was given by the scientist. Innovation theory was given by the scientist J.S. Khumpter. First government-owned women bank is Bharatiya Mahila Bank and it was in the year 2013. Which cost is known as sunk cost? The answer is fixed cost. Fixed cost is known as sunk cost. Risk-bearing ability depends on which of the following? Risk-bearing ability depends on net worth. Total cost needed for a crop to cultivate is known as cost of cultivation. Cost of cultivation is the cost needed for a crop to cultivate. Most common method of auction system in regulated markets is open auction system. Open auction system is the most common method of auction system. Cooperative movement in India was started in the year 1904 by Nicholson. Market where permanent durable commodities are traded is a secular market. Share of capital is interest. BIS, Bureau of Indian Standards, was set up in the year 1987. National Bank, which provides indirect finances to rural communities, is NABARD. National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, established in the year 1982. Central Warehousing Corporation was started in the year 1957. Major cooperative farming states in India are Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu are the major cooperative farming states in India. Organization responsible for quality control of agricultural commodity is DMI, Directorate of Marketing and Instruction. In India, cooperative farming is restricted to which of the following crops? The answer is tea and coffee. In India, cooperative farming is restricted to tea and coffee. Agroeconomics Research Center was established in the year 1954. First credit card for farmer was given by which of the following banks? The answer is Andhra Bank and it was supported by State Bank of India. Average size of self-help groups is how many members? 15 members. Self-help groups has an average of 15 members. Asian Development Bank was established in the year 1966 and it is located at Philippines. Welfare definition was given by which of the following scientists? The answer is Alfred Marshall. World Bank is located at Washington, D.C. World Bank is also called as International Bank for Reconstruction and Development and it is owned by 187 countries. In which of the following year 14 banks were nationalized? 1969. In the year 1969, 14 banks were nationalized. Planning Commission was established in the year 1950. Theory of population was given by the scientist Malthus and it is also called as Malthusian theory. Market situation where single seller is there is called as monopoly, whereas monopsony is a situation where there is only a single buyer. Kashmir is monopoly in which of the following commodities? The answer is apple. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Agricos World.